Today we are going to talk about Kavout, a platform designed to help you get AI-powered market insights instantly. Many investors, traders, and business owners struggle to analyze markets quickly because there is so much data to track and making decisions can be overwhelming. Kavout is built to simplify this by using artificial intelligence to analyze market trends, stock performance, and opportunities, giving you actionable insights in seconds. In this video, I will explain what Kavout is, its key features, who it is best for, and how the lifetime deal works on AppSumo. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make investment and business tools easier and help you to make smarter decisions using AI and simple methods. If this type of content is helpful for you, make sure to subscribe this channel. Also, check the link in the description to explore Kavout and any available lifetime offers. When you use the description link, any deal or benefit that will be applied automatically, so you don't need to enter any code or do anything extra. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, Kavout is an AI-powered platform that analyzes market data and provides insight for smarter investment and business decisions. Instead of manually tracking trends, stock performance, or the news, Kavout uses AI to process the data quickly and highlight the important patterns. One of the most useful features is AI scoring. Kavout can rate the stocks, sectors, or market opportunities based on the predictive analytics, making it easier to identify potential winners or risks. This helps you prioritize where to focus your attention. Another important feature is market trend analysis. The platform tracks large amount of financial and market data, identifying emerging trends and opportunities. This saves you time and reduces the chance of missing important developments. Kavout also supports portfolio tracking. You can monitor your investments, see performance metrics, and receive AI-driven suggestions to adjust your strategy if needed. This helps you make informed decisions without spending hours on research. Another helpful feature is data visualization. Kavout presents insights in chart, graph, and scoreboards that are easy to understand. Even if you are not an financial expert, you can easily understand. This makes complex market data simpler to digest. Now, Kavout is especially useful for investors, traders, financial advisors, and business owners who want to leverage AI to make a smarter decision faster. It reduces manual research and help you to stay ahead in a fast-moving market. So now let's talk about the lifetime deal through AppSumo. Kavout is offered as a lifetime deal, which means you pay once and you get the long-term access to the platform. This is ideal for anyone who wants AI-driven market insights without paying recurring subscription fees. The first tier is usually suitable for individuals or beginner investors. It includes access to the basic AI scoring and trend analysis features, which is enough to start exploring market insights. The next tier is better for active traders or small business users. You can access more data, advanced AI insights, and additional analytics tools to make better informed decisions. The higher tier is designed for the professional investors or teams. This plan offers full data access, high-frequently insights, and advanced portfolio tracking, giving you flexibility for larger investments or professional use. If you want to save time, analyze market faster, and make smarter investment or business decisions using AI, Kavout can be a smart tool to explore. You can take the lifetime deal through the description link and any available benefit that will be applied automatically without entering code or doing anything extra. So overall, Kavout is a beginner-friendly and powerful platform that helps investors, traders, business owners to get actionable AI market insights instantly to save time and make more informed decisions. That's it basically for today's video about Kavout and its lifetime deal through AppSumo. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe this channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.